Hadin ke jingpen sepriang akilat thai khobor ki bamdei na po ka jala Meghalaya ka bala bandan ke jingsong ñiam hadin ke jingsha thambor ka we ni ki jaka mani jing ki bar jala Mahadev Khola ha ki bru ki bamtip ki dei ki ai umutirang ba ka jala Conrad ki sangmau la kren dak basai ba ka tei ke jingja kamdon jingdei e ru em ki kynhun ñiam hanrei ka dei ke jingkulmar hapdeng ki ar kynhun halo ka jingdon jing ki news channel ki bapin I ya ka tei ka khobor ka jingsong pher ñiam na ka liang jong Conrad lapun pau ba ki bor ba khami ya kum kita ki channel ki dei bandan ka jingkit khli pat la don kam na ka liang jong sarkar ru kan hap ban sim kam persai ki
this was an incident that was not at all in any way communally motivated or religiously motivated. I just want to make that clear. There was some groups of individuals who had gone to some of the shops. This is the initial report that's come to me, but we are still working on the details. And once there was some kind of altercation that took place, and because some of the stuff that they were demanding for or asking for was not given, and some exchange took place of words, that more people came in and they attacked the individual. So it was a very standalone incident, not at all religiously or communally motivated, but it just so happens that the two groups were from two different communities, and hence it is easy to connect those dots and then try to give it a communal or religious color. I'm very clear it's not. We have asked and studied all the background of the individuals. They are not related to any particular organization or any kind of communal issue or anything like that. It was a standalone incident that happened between two groups, and as per law, whatever action is to be taken will be taken. And I appeal to everybody not to give this kind of incident or any other incident that is there a communal color from day one. This is not correct, as it leads to unnecessary tension. But this incident, as I said, was completely between two groups and two individuals, which had nothing to do with religion. We have not gone into that level, but I mean, we do expect the news agencies also to be responsible, to not give it a communal color. But yes, if it goes beyond a certain point, then we will take action against against agencies that do unnecessarily create this kind of a picture, because as I said, the agencies should do their homework first, find out the facts, and only then come out with any kind of thing. But I will reiterate, there is no communal or no religious angle to this incident.